friend or family member who is experiencing mental health difficulties? Again, how can you support a friend or family member who is experiencing mental health difficulties?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Before I come to the question, let me share first about my experience why I chose this advocacy. Before, I was discriminated because of the way I look. It really shattered me. It broke me into pieces, and it shattered the confidence that I spent a long time on building. And instead of uplifting me, the society have their 2 cents of opinions. They told me that I am just overreacting, that what I am feeling is just small thing. That is why I don't want to be that people. I want to be the positive change of every people that are suffering from their mental health. I really studied for this advocacy. I took up my senior high school, taking humanities and social sciences stream because I wanted to know more about the society, how it works, and especially its branch, which is psychology. I could uplift a friend by doing a positive change into their life, uplifting them, and giving self-care tips into how to manage their struggles. Because I am not here just as a candidate, but as a voice for change. Thank you so much. Bisan sa Barayong Gabi!
Wow, congratulations, candidate number 3. So now,